Big ups to 91.5, live from the cocaine dub. Just reminding all my guys in the world to stay up. Never had to spray slugs, so I don't play thug. Or try to fit with the killers like OJ's gloves. So cats love to see me like they don't pay subs. Out to create buzz. Know that SK can shake clubs like hearts and moves of golfers. Crazy compulsive cold killers, so ill I'm giving competition also. Fierce frenetic, poetics pierce the pathetic. Plagues my powerful prophetic phonetics penetrate this renegade. Relic raps rugged and demonstrates how to scoop honeys with nothing but that angelic face. Aesthetic base, waist get shredded, I set it straight. For the hapless half with homies that hesitate. The hella great, elevated skills we celebrate. Practice, hit up in this ill since 7th grade. I dedicate this to my system, the crew. And thanks for coming out, but the competition is through, I can tell. And frauds with soft stamina don't trouble me. Duck or I'll damage on camera publicly when I utter these subtleties. Brother, please, I'm the biggest thing out of Canada since Pamela's double D's. Colleagues and critics all apply the accolades. Aptly describe how my flying is fascinating.